How to recover deleted Telegram channel. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted Telegram channel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step here is open up your Telegram. After you open up your Telegram, let me just first delete a channel. So let's say this is the channel that I'm removing or deleting. So there we go, I've just left the channel itself. So what I can now do is simply head over to the search bar and search for that very channel again. So search for that channel. Then we just head over to channels section as well. And there we go, this is the channel that I left. Now open it up again and you'll get the join option at the bottom. Tap on join and there we go, now you're recovered your deleted Telegram channel. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's basically all for today's as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.